Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance and Bully Dog. We're going to be showing you how to use vehicle functions on your tuning device. The first thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. Okay, with the device plugged in, first thing you want to do is power up the device. When the device powers up, you're going to see it comes to the main menu, and the third option down is vehicle functions. So we're going to scroll down and choose vehicle functions. You can see here there are three functions that come up: read DTC codes, clear DTC codes, and special functions. So read DTC codes, if your vehicle has an active fault code or a pending fault code, you can choose this option to see what the actual fault code is. So when you choose the option, it's going to say turn the key on. You go ahead and select continue. You can see here the vehicle we're in today does not have any active fault codes. So if it did have an active fault code, it would actually tell you what that fault code is. Then if you exit out of there, you can go back to the vehicle functions screen, and you can actually scroll down and clear that DTC fault code if you'd like to. Then lastly, there's special functions. So when we choose special functions, again, it'll tell you to turn the key on, select continue, verify that's your vehicle, and then you can skip device updates if it asks you to. We don't need to do that. And then it's going to tell you to turn the key off. Just follow the prompts, continue. And then here we go. We have cam reset, crank relearn. So cam reset is keep alive memory reset. This is often used when you're calibrating a vehicle. Let's say you put a cold air intake on a vehicle and you're dialing in your fueling curve or your MAF curve. Resetting the keep alive memory is a smart thing to do because it clears the old memory from your your last calibration, and you'll start fresh basically with fuel trim starting at 0, and then they'll start to learn what your new calibration is giving us. And then last, you'll have the crank relearn. Crank relearn is often used when you install a new engine in a vehicle or heavily modify the vehicle, such as changing camshafts, timing gears, oil pump gears. It's a good idea to go ahead and do a crank relearn. When you choose that option, it'll walk you through the steps of doing the crank relearn. It's pretty straightforward. And that is all for vehicle functions.